Hi, in this tutorial I'll walk you through 12 easy steps to make a cathedral style ring with a topaz or any other gemstone. For step 1, scribe the width of the inner ring band on a piece of 16 gauge sterling. Use a ring size chart to cut the correct length. Step 2, once cut out, this will form your inner ring band. Okay, step 3, you want to sand the sides of the inner band to make sure they are straight. Step 4, you need to anneal the inner band until it starts turning cherry red. This is going to make it a lot more workable. Okay, step 5, polish your inner band of any rough spots and then stamp 925 and your mark on it. Step 6, tape up the band with masking tape. Bend it around a ring mandrel until it meets the ring size you need. Step 7, using hard silver solder, solder the ends of the inner band together, then sand it down until it looks like a continuous band. Step 8, bend another band around the inner band. This band shouldn't come together at the top as pictured. The ears can be sawed off to make room for the setting. Clamp and solder them together to form one solid band. Step 9, polish and clean it all up. Be sure you sand any rough corners. Step 10, using a white gold setting appropriate for your gemstone. Sand the top of the ring so it sits down properly between the ears. Then solder it on by dropping solder in the center and heating it up. Okay, step 11, either draw or transfer a design on the side of the ring and engrave the sides the way you like. Step 12, once the ring is engraved, set your gemstone with a good stone setting technique. Hey, all finished up. Hey, be sure you pick a setting and a gemstone that fits the ring that you built.